Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Tesla stock price action and the important key levels to watch on how to trade Tesla at these areas. Now, we are getting a retest of this recent highs, and as expected, as I have been saying in my videos, that yes, structure is still bullish, and as I'll take you through this video, there were a couple of levels I talked about. We did go above those, went high up, and then retested that just recent highs, and we are seeing a sell-off. But, and as I said, these things just don't fall. If they have to cool off, that first becomes a distribution phase. And right now, is this a distribution phase now with this red candle today and a sell-off? We'll take a look at that in this video and everything, guys. We'll also get things ready for how to look for trading opportunities tomorrow as well. Now, there is still almost just over 7 minutes left for the market to close. So by the time we'll wrap up this video, market would have also closed. Now, before that, please also note, none of this is any financial advice and it's only for education purposes. Just sharing here my opinion, nothing more than that. All right, so let's go to the 3 minutes interval first. I want to show you my day trading bot. Another great day from the day trading bot. We had a profitable day. You can see here that we got the position buy, and then eventually the whole position was closed in profits. You can see the data on the left side of the table for the last 30 trades. And if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. I have 2 indicators and 2 bots, okay? Now, going back here to the daily interval, yeah, so the point being, is this going to be a distribution phase? And if so, like until where can it continue lower? Well, guys, so here's the thing. Sure, weekends, and we'll take a look at on hourly interval in just a second, but yes, these cool-offs may happen, but this 20 days moving average will eventually catch up first, and then we'll see price would, in my opinion, will do some more zigzag. But yeah, take partial profits. Like I have been taking partial profits up here. Like I started taking partial profits from here. I started increasing my partial profits from my long position that I have been holding here. And yeah, I have been, okay, let's go to the hourly interval. So when the pivots and were forming, but every time the pivot were getting smaller and smaller, the difference between the two pivots, I was taking more partial profits. I didn't take much up here though. I took most of them down here, and then today also I took some partial profits out because I was seeing the retest, and I'm like, at this time I want to take some more partial profits. I still have almost 50% of my original position on Tesla long-term portfolio, but yes, 50% I have already booked in profits. Now, so talking on the hourly interval here, all right, so this is the level I provided you today, that one of the case scenarios, if we get above 252, it will be a long play for intraday, and we got that. And so that's that. Now, what are we seeing? Is there a possibility that we might sell off tomorrow? We are having a red candle. There's a possibility, guys, and pretty much this is the level, 252 and 74 cents. If Tesla breaks below this, you can expect this to come down to 246 tomorrow. Definitely, that's one of the levels to watch, and then we'll see if it continues to cool off much lower. But yes, as soon as we start to lose and close below 252 and 54 cents, at least an hourly candle, if we do that, right now we haven't done that. If we do that, then it's almost about to just lose this, pivot area. And once, I mean, it's not going to fully lose it, but it's already going to start give you the weakness, and at least it will come down to 246, and which would mean, yeah, the pivot is technically lost, and then we'll see if 246 holds. If it holds, start to go back up, yes, it can still continue higher, because technically overall we are still bullish on Tesla, but please expect some cool off that may continue down here to 246 if we lose the level of 252, and if we don't see any green candle with the wick coming down here and the good support coming here, right? So that's that. This is how to trade it, and as long as we're above 200 hours moving average, guys, I don't see this breaking right away. Let the pullbacks happen, still, because the structure is still technically bullish. Let the pullback happens, and when you see patterns like strong green wick coming in, getting out of the consolidations and changing the structure, that was the rebounds I also provided you till these levels like 252, and today play was above this long. I showed you my day trading pot as well. And if you need access to my tools, links in the description below of this video. So that's Tesla. So yes, there are possibilities of some more sell-off tomorrow. and a cool off, but it all comes down to as if we continue to lose that significant level that I showed you, and pretty much this zone of this area of consolidation. If we start to lose this, then we have a problem. Now, what is the long play for tomorrow? Is that a possibility as well? Yes, why not, guys? So intraday you can still trade both sides. Well, for the upside though, I would first want to see it get above intraday upside above 256 and 34 cents. Then only I would be comfortable in playing Tesla long. All right, otherwise no, it has more likelihood of fizzling down. So just keep that in mind. Those are the levels to watch, all right? Now, and if you can then avoid trading between this range, you will be better off, right? So yeah, that's that for tomorrow. Now, let's go back to the daily interval, and let's actually let's go to the weekly interval, guys, because yeah, we covered everything pretty much over here in the price section. So yeah, we are not bearish. Yes, we are having sell-offs, but those are having sell-offs at these retests. But you can see these rebounds are still a buy, right? Intraday play. So just stay with the structure. And I gave you the levels for intraday cool-offs as well. And then, what possibly is still to watch. But yes, guys, as long as we are above this 20 days moving average as well, this has to first turn into a distribution phase. And then we'll see where it starts to break. But it's just my hunch right now. I want to see price action develop for a couple of more days first, but it's my hunch that if Tesla even cools off, this is where it might stabilize itself this time. I just feel it this way though. But just saying, because I'm seeing the price action, this candle, when it had a red sell-off, this green candle after gap down got bought back up, right? So that's just keeping me in the inclination that this may not sell off like that, and this may just stuck around here, and we'll see then eventually what happens. But there will be, I think, a couple of more upsides and retest. And if Tesla starts to close strong up here, and this is something I talked about in my video over the weekend as well with the options, that if Tesla starts to close strong here, then more upside is possible this week. Otherwise, this is where I mentioned that around 265 to 270. Check that video out that I did on options, right, on Tesla. This is where is the safest bet until here to trade, 265 to 270, right? So let's go to the weekly interval on Tesla, and let's go there. So yeah, guys, things are not looking bad to me. Things look great. Structure on weekly interval is also bullish. So yeah, like guys, structure on weekly interval is also still bullish on Tesla. I would wait and see if I get opportunities to buy maybe more of my, well, I have Tesla stock good amount already, but if you're not aware about this channel of mine, Junior Trader Dividend Investing channel, I highly recommend check out my videos here. I'm building Tesla's, not just Tesla, but dividend portfolio, and I provide my weekly updates here. It's a public facing portfolio, and check out the last video that I did. I mean, amazing profits. We are in Tesla stock EDF, has been giving me a lot of profits, and I would love to buy that more if Tesla pulls back. But yeah, more about it, you can find the link to this channel in the description of this video. Check this out, and yeah, that would be that. All right, so yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for Tesla. So yes, structure is still bullish, and cool-offs are possible, but just keep in mind the things that I provided you for what cool-offs, right? Just don't do it blindly, right? You have to see these levels, and if it continues to hold and we get above this level, that 256 area, then it can tomorrow also continue higher. If we break below 252 area, this significant level, you might expect a cool off to 246, and that cool off might also continue then until 200 hours moving average. That's a possibility. Yeah. All right, so you have the levels, you have the structure to watch, and that's all for this video, guys. If you found it helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe. If you need access to my tools that you see in the videos, links to my tools are in the description below of this video as well. All right, guys, take care. Bye.